Hi, and thank you for participating. Crises are part of life. Many poems, articles, books, and movies deal with crises, how we manage them, and most importantly, how we recover from them. The coronavirus is a dramatic event. It is a very serious crisis. The good news is that it will end. We will always remember it because of the innocent souls that lost their lives during this tough period. But we will recover, and some of us will grow their businesses right after it. The coronavirus gave us the opportunity to rethink about our business, the way we want to see it, even the way we want to manage our lives. Today, let's sow the seeds for tomorrow. First, I suggest that you write down how you see the world after the coronavirus. How do you see your community, the optical industry? I am sure that many things will change. What is your opinion? How do you see the near future? When you're ready, go to the second stage. Ask yourself, what are the new opportunities that these new times will bring? Where is the money? How will people want to buy your solutions tomorrow morning? Would they prefer to use technology for remote communication? Do you expect more or less visitor at your business space after we beat the virus? Make a short list of the strengths of your business, the things that you're doing really well. Is it the professional level of your team members? Maybe you're benefiting from your excellent reputation in your area? Do you maximize the potential of every sale? Now, write down the weaknesses of your business. Do you suffer from too many returning orders? Why? Are your employees committed and dedicated to the business and achieving its targets? Or do they just come to work every day? What can you do in order to change this? How would you evaluate your level of professionalism? Are you ready to serve your customers using remote communication tools? Let's proceed to the most important part. What do you want? What will make you feel great? Are you happy? What would you like to change in your life in order to be happier? Now, make an action plan. Start with a list of at least 3 things that you can do, promote, and achieve over the next 3 months. It could be a new skill or tool that you must learn, or a new technology that you want to implement, a new employee that you need to recruit, a new promotion, or even a new branding of your business. For every action, you must plan the action, the result, the budget required, and the time frame. In other words, what are you going to do, when you're going to do it, what are the costs, and what are the expected results? Your action plan is the key for your success because it will push you to do what you really believe needed to take your business to the next level. We would appreciate it very much if you would share your ideas with us. And we remind you that your local Shamir representative is at your service as always. Sow the seeds of tomorrow growth today. Thank you very much for watching.